Much has been discussed in regards to the overall battery experience on the Z Flip 3 in regards to charging speeds and capacity. With wired charging speeds of 15 watts and a battery size of 3,340 milliamps, we decided to put the wired charging speeds to the test to see how long it takes for the Z Flip 3 to charge from 0 to full. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on SamMobile. Here is our charging test of the Z Flip 3. A quick rundown of the battery and charging speed specs of the Z Flip 3. As stated before, it does support 15 watt wired charging and packs a 3,300 milliamp hour battery. Although we won't be focusing on wireless charging in this video, the Z Flip 3 does support 10 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watts for the power share. As the trend goes recently, there is no charger included with the Z Flip 3 thanks to the slimmer box. So buying a new charger might just be something you need to do unless using an older charger, which in this case we did. For reference, we do have a Galaxy S21 alongside it, which does support 25 watt wired charging and packs a 4,000 milliamp hour battery with support for 15 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watts for the power share. And again, no charger included in the box. With that out of the way, let's get into the main charging test. Kicking things off, both devices have been drained down to 0% and we'll be running them both in aeroplane mode to stop any notifications coming in. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is being used as the timer for the charging test, and we'll be looking at the percentage for both devices at 15-minute intervals to see where they are when recharging and also how long it takes to charge to 100%. At this stage, let us know in the comment section below how long you think it will take to recharge the Z Flip 3 to 100%, and also if there will be any difference compared to the Galaxy S21. Moving over to the first interval of the charging test, at the 15-minute mark, the Galaxy S21 now has 31% of battery. Moving over to the Flip 3, it now has 25% of battery. Decent enough start for both so far. Over to the next interval at 30 minutes, the Galaxy S21 now has 54%, which is just over half capacity. Then over to the Flip 3, which now has 46% battery at the half an hour mark. This is moving along progressively for both devices at this early stage. Let's see if they maintain that or slow down at a later time. At the 45-minute mark, the Galaxy S21 is at 76% battery, and checking over at the Flip 3, it's now at 69% battery. The next interval, which is the 1 hour mark, is subjectively the most important one, as that is the general time it takes to get ready when going out to tackle your day. With that in mind, it's good to see how much charge your phone will have after 1 hour if, like myself, you always forget to charge your device overnight. At the 1 hour mark, the Galaxy S21 is now at 88% battery and the Flip 3 is at 85%. Not much difference in terms of percentage between the two at this stage. Closing in at the 100% full charge mark for both devices, at the 1 hour 15-minute mark, the Galaxy S21 is at 97% and the Flip 3 is at 96% battery. At this stage, it's basically neck and neck. But to cross the line first at the 100% full charge mark is the Galaxy S21 with a time of 1 hour, 18 minutes and 12 seconds. Not long after following the Galaxy S21's completion, 7 minutes later, the Flip 3 is now at 100% full charge with a time of 1 hour, 25 minutes and 12 seconds. Were your early predictions of the charging test for the Flip 3 correct for the time it will take to hit 100%? Let us know in the comment section below what your ideal time for completion to full charge would be for a flagship device. For all the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.